Giving feedback is hard. I want feedback from the teacher, not from another student. I don't want to upset my friends by saying their papers are bad. What do my classmates know anyway? All of these are fair concerns you may have when it comes to giving and receiving feedback from your classmates. It is understandable that you think your classmates and yourself are not yet ready to provide valuable comments about a given piece of work. But remember, you have years of experience reading all sorts of texts and, as an audience, your opinion is valuable. It may be that, in the beginning, your comments and those of your classmates will be quite superficial. But, with practice, these comments will transform into relevant comments that writers can use to improve in many areas.